to abronye kra ekuya ajajefoɔ no ɔmo nhwɛ me DM ɔmo nhwɛ me no ɔmo mɛhyɛ and prosecute me because me dem me threat wɔn bi so in case of anything say the
Ewushan for aha Ghana Asɛm TV GH mesro like comment subscribe then on notification so that anytime I post a video bit say where usan beka bi Ewushan for say there they are about 24/7 they say on mine the way on mine as a kono obiafa ni destiny to their own hands. No one is leaving anything to chance any longer. Nobody is there. Obiaye wild, obiaye hot. Na unye hot. Especially me no NPP vo. Chai, say there. Ubu akra. Ubu. Hey, NPP vo my we are what we send say our blood is boiling. Our blood is boiling. Enti NPP for bebre do no say omo say either say on frɛ akufaro nyakupon na say on frɛ koshia ani ensa bebodua because adia ekoso o man no say there it is more than clear say with the enye justice delivery and it's not about the national security of this country. It is all about a political persecution. Now, I am not too old, but I'm old small. Now, me who anye share. At least Rollins ni democratic governance Kufuor Atamels Akufo-Addo. I've not seen a political persecution on a scale that I'm seeing right now under John Mahama 2.0. I've not seen some before. To the extent say for more social media so there be no. Now the reason all these things are coming up is because of Bono regional chairman. She said Abronye chairman Abronye minim adia odiaye NDC for since last year. I swear in this government, I say making Abronye uncomfortable a part of our policies our promises to our grassroots to maintain. And we are hearing say for the past 4 to 5 days, Chairman Abronye has not eaten when Didi Diane Obedino Debbie. He has not been allowed a legal representation. Ni lawyers, man lawyer be uncle say uncle visitino. Number 2, I think so say one of the reasons why he's not eating say Nihun Sharam Fanasa. Chairman Abronye is not too fine. Now, even health, apomdie, ni basic right. Basic right. Nipa no ya worst enemy kra. Nipa no yarea. And for someone not to have eaten for 4 to 5 days, a serious issue, it carries serious implications. And all these things are happening in a democratic country. In a democratic country, and it said never because say there they say Ghana, I'm not sure say we'll ever have make progress because a way saying no matter what NPP for bar, they will want to pay back. Now if they pay back, then means that if after some time NDC comes back to power again, they would also want to. Now, how do you even move a country like this? Meanwhile, there are serious things that are there to consider. And you must serious for work. I say nipa unko senda. but they cannot be considered identical because we are government. We are wasting your time with this arrest of a harmless opponents are or more dissenting view pay near arrested. So now people have to before say they are giving warnings, and some of the warnings, I might not be able to repeat it, but it tells you where the matter has reached. Where Muya Bronya say Bibi Sia. If something should happen to Abronya right now, our possession, our custody. Don't you think say something the Asɛm Aba? Because NPP for EMP no until we won't hear any explanation. No. Debbie, what explanation are you come to give to us? You will provide a human being. Say, Bibi, God forbid, but Bibi, see, you will provide a human being. You will. Yo. Ebusian for still, Pamucho Mumboy na yen raise the face of our production through studio contributions, donations, no. Number no screen so with me boy Kitwa, right? Kindly help us as we do it. And we'll be proud. We'll all be proud of how far we have come as a family. And that must send a million debia.
Bitu abronye kra. Ekuya, ajajefoɔ no ɔmo hwɛ me DM, ɔmo hwɛ me no ɔmo mehyɛ se and prosecute because me threat wo bi. So in case of anything say the ko kaka ye no or threat soldiers police ni bi no mo ajajefoɔ no mo wɔ ma mo wɔ yere no mo wɔ busunya mo wɔ maame mo papa mo. So anything happen to abronye wɔ Ghana ha say ebeye hot ama ye ɔman ne beye mama ye yentimi nkɔ ɔman nim because enne na mo fo say monya obi na wo judge mo ye nim guasefoɔ ajaje fa mu Ghana ha say mu dodo na mo ye nim guasefoɔ adwene ne nyansa mo bi because of politics mo yira mo de. It's a disgrace and shame to the institution of the republic. Eya tai eya the fun eya nkrasesem agodima na ye no all because me plead obi me please obi me ma obi anyani ayayi na John Dramani Mahama no onche o the 4 years no aso awie obekọ na wo judge ne de obekọ so atena ho wo police ni wo soja ni mo gum woni mu ase edin ti ne mo mebre no yedi mata mo ni animonyam no animonyam asa mo aton mo animonyam de ma chansen mo ye no guaseafo no nyame katua ehwe mo bebre mo bu fom aba mo bebre mo ni afira mo mebre adwen adwene be sai ansa na mo duru mo panin fie so awu nyame betua mo ka because eye nipa bonisem na mo ye eye nipa bonisem si etu o man yi mu ni ahuro di ye ho nto ye twa ye ho ye pay ho ye hu yasene mu ne ma ye ma adwene se mo de bekata mani ne ma koso di nsem fun ni mfre ni ma asem akua wo de mo bi nto aso me pese me kasa bi.
Kubi, obesia otumfo kan na say power is transient. Inti emre ye ni nkaso. Ene na wo fo say wo position say obetime the power I intimidate. Ghana judge for ye wo krom how. Kevin Taylor di matem papa. Ewi eturoba ye. Vice President etimi de ne call the Vice President's presidency. And when you don't know what's baby a Ghana Vice President, if yes, what's them? And when you Kevin Taylor kokan o yonko judge ni na Kevin Taylor di na tem. And na Kevin Taylor bedru Ghana no. Oba no tra court na o esenko ko kana asem no ko ye face Supreme Court. Supreme Court is yes Kevin Taylor tri ho. Onko ni hu so sabrobe onko. And I will say abronya akoka de yenka abronya bomusuo enti yenyeli no a yate yema ne nem because abronya apia abonten no oba baba bedi matem enti endei abronya nyeso ye flight risk na abronya no echen flight risk enti say yema abronya nemu akopum say yebedi na asem awie ansa na se yebeje na na meka say abronya case no enye criminal case a civil case enti endei NDC baye. We are blurring the lines between a civil case and a criminal case. Yate. And can you best be a water? Or mine one yete. NDC betena power afebo na nyankwada jo mama benya nkwada no atena ga na so da na sesebio Rollins impo owu koye dia owu ene Rollins ye ka ye hwehwe na sase so ba bia ye hu no se Rollins impo timi betena o man so na emire bi eso na Rollins esesa ne nkuku ne nkaka ekoye do no kofa na NDC party ne ba ye ne mpo no so okoye dia NDC ya ye hu ono so merebeso obeko ai Ghana judgefo se ne tokonu kwa no chief justice yetimi yi ne dia na ne wo a wote courtroom emre ye ni nkaso enti enyina adwuma na obi ye no nyina komam no wonye ne se ne wo ye ne na wo ye papa a wo ye fa wo ye bone nso a ye fa wadwuma papa a wo ye ehwo aba ene beso ama wo se party na wo ye adwuma ma no ana party na wo ye niam favor ne free power wadwuma pa wo ye no ehwo akatwia enobenya wuni mo wu ahwena kona ko bisa dampare adwuma papa wo ye nyina achie wi achire asotro NDC fo digya ne kwan why enti ye da ase look at me Beatrice be dem me ho ofe pa me ho ofe chen wo destiny me o hwe manim a efe e chen wo da na me wiase a me ba de minim de so obi tan wo di brodokora wo se wo ye nwura enti everything that Afenyo Markins went to say na Afenyo Markins ko gina wo kae no na wo nyansa ni wo nim de asem e wo fom so you could not decipher the message to come and sit on the radio station to explain. So when sensible people are talking, it is not for feeble minds like you. And not for one more majimu or hasa tenten wrote to say who confidence. No one try Israel from a kokam friend musem. My enenya will first and last. We are warning some of you against NPP. Me say, and I know papa be a friend of Jacobna. Okoka NPP for some. Now one dia wa jego ni widie mu no. Be ma fu bi to say wo de. And no kwa say wo wutimi ya wanim tantan wani wo fiti mu kwatana radio so. I could disrespect you Afenyo Markins. Who born dog? Kramai be na me kramai ba, kramai be ma ben. And na kramai ba bi e ka bo mu e wo. Audacity cheap audacity temu audacity way confidence why na order ma because me nyasho say you want to order ye don't go and order cheap audacity from Kiku e ma ne nya waje say NPP for akoya press conference et wo betinya baba be decipher and minority leader asem okoka ye winim nyansa ketua bia enka wo pay masters na wo te wona ye twia wo mo twia wo ka no. And Kawabeka said they should allow the rule of law to work. You should allow. I said Kawakacha will pay masters. Ne say send your motor to Mbrana seno. You are making the law more trivializing Mbrano. Oga wuli shisho confederacy picture man on me fan into so. Be my phone. I said we wait to be kwa radio so. How dare you? I said the Afenyo Markins. Eko jina okokasa to say normal food soldier. Eya brofo no kan ntimi nim so onim dia wo fom enti o kan wan tie ase message na Afenyo Markins press conference Afenyo Markins kan na wunyansa ni wunim dia wo fom so you could not even break the message down to even understand it in the first place for you to come and pass commentary. This should be the last time. Confidence my enenya will last. Asa wo bebo modia de wo chimie akwatena sa wo program na wo ye wo nhira no so esa NPP fu akasa na wo ntwamwa bi te say wo odwodwenchia bi te say wo e de wano beto NPP asem enim pai bi te say wo baba be kaseti Afenyo Markins. I don't blame you. I blame the idiot who employed you. I blame the idiots now of our word you no. I want mental checks. I just say you are doing that with no. E nipa adwene ansa no offer word you no. Send the NPP for na power. Emma na najanto odi nsem hunu. Also say NPP for opposition. So we will allow you people to continue fooling. Yes sir. Chimia na najanto ejimi ya no. I na waja akomia si ho. Enti wo force wanya sana na janto akonya ne so atena enti so be cancel hunu ni bi and you be allowed to go scot free. Obua emra mpesa me ka kire o se wonni mu nyansa Now we bubu wo pan oh. Me se mo fan ma NPP nim. NPP not to opposition no. How Afenyo Markins decide to carry himself is none of your goddamn business. We had a whole president, a presidential candidate who said nothing sensible on campaign trail, and so people voted for him. Oh, person where you're popular, we will make you popular for all the wrong reasons. You better do what we will make you popular for all the wrong reasons. So if you are talking about how people should carry themselves, this advice should be going to John Mahama. How did John Mahama carry himself when he was the opposition leader? The same John Mahama, went to me appear or any state function be no. Is it the standard? What did John Mahama na president? Is John Mahama even the standard when it comes to how somebody should carry themselves? Oh, bodam sheshu. This should be the last time back to Nasa Muishra FM one. Eddie Nyansa Seme na moye wo. Proper analysis when a moment in Shra FM. Sorry, Papa. Document Papa Bay and a book of endorsing. What kind? I would have got us Shra FM. What do you program? Idiots. This should be the last time. I will obey on that cheap audacity every time. I would obey what they say. What they bad the disrespected the minority leader. But some minority leader in the press conference now, yeah. It is not for feeble minds like yours to decipher that message. So if you do not understand what the press conference was all about, and now Asɛm Aba and Sebeka and say, "One tiasia, who say we nyansa the what from? Tell me your friend is a journalist. Kiku journalist. Oh, bodam sheshu. My young sound kwasi adie we bi. SNPP for temu journalist so SNPP for press conference. Now when na wo baba be cheche mwache Ghana for na wanga sa unyansa and dru hin wo be cheche bi machiro obi. Senyo, I don't even want to make MPP attractive. Mujimi na mo de kwaye se pro koton kwasi aba no. It is what is making MPP attractive. Enti me, enye me menum kasa na MPP ay attractive o. About phone na mo koto in December 7th no. Eno na MPP ay attractive. En kwasi aba na mo di a kire se ye be 1 million coders. Enso when Sam George mo atam sika kwata laptop a yehu location we ye 1 million coders. Eno na MPP ay akono. Na nya na MPP ay akono. Disappointed NDC member. Afa Jimmy fi me comment section behu. Ye jamo mamotina opposition. You did all the stupidity you people can do. And then mobile power, we are giving you a pinch, not even a dose. A pinch of the medicine you forced down MPP's throat for 8 years. No, you people can't take it. You arrest people without cause. Yet someone yet make so near ridicule publicly. And send you back court. And I do want case I was saying. I don't want case I was saying. And number first talk case, and then Attorney General so we dey ready. You kwasi yan fama no nko dey chire no. These are some of the foolish reasons why you people want to vote for NDC. NDC ba ye, me say ni pa ben, e no matimi aka say owi aga neska, e to matimi ache no. Shameless bunch of people. Mo fa wo mra. Esa Afenyo Markins akwa criticizing John Mahama Benti. Ye benya jimifo bi of friend who say journalist said, "Obedidi Afenyo atem." Are you stupid? Are you mad? Are you okay in the head? Why wana ntasa wo kwaduro? Wana ntasa kwa ya chi atatalo so. Be ma futa. Be ma futa say wo. Ese me baba di Afenyo Markins atem because wakwa de. Wakwa criticizing how the government of the day is running the country.